7, 8.
8 of them.
Eggs in this one.
Darshan, where were they
Where's the
today?
basket, Taylor?
Oh, the basket must be back in the garage.
Oh,
What's
dear.
that, Darshan?
Will I go and get it?
I'll go get it, Grandpa.
Clue.
I'll get it.
The next clue.
Yes.
Oh, let's see. I'll read it.
Super quick.
Read it.
Read
Will you be
it.
looking for
Okay,
eggs
it
next
says.
Are
It
you?
says. Ready? Look.
Will you be looking for eggs
Let's see if we can work out what it says.
Yeah.
What pictures do we see on there?
I see number 3.
You see a number
and
3?
Clothes.
And clothes. Okay, let's read what it says. It says, there are dirty clothes.
That would be the one.
No, there are dirty shirts and trousers too. They must be washed for the 3 of you. Helping Mum is fun to do. Open the door. What's there for you?
Oh my goodness.
That would be the laundry room.
The laundry
The
room.
laundry room. My goodness, there's a lot of eggs here now.
Oh, let's go to the laundry room.
Who's taking that?
I'll take that.
You'll take
It's
that.
getting a bit heavy.
Okay, good. We're going to the laundry room. Laundry room.
To the laundry room.
Oh, where's the laundry
That way.
No, wait till the wait. I just have to pull down my sleeve there.
Can I carry it for you?
Laundry room. We're
Sure.
going to the laundry room, are we?
Yeah, going to the laundry room. More chocolate.
Let me see if it's open. It's not open.
Takes it out.
Yeah, really working it out.
Brilliant.
Everybody inside
Perfect.
the
There must-
laundry room.
Now, what does it
No,
say
it
here?
won't. It doesn't help.
There's dirty shirts and trousers, 2, that must be washed for the 3 of you. Helping Mum is fun to do. Open the door. Oh, what's there for you?
Oh, that must be the door.
You have to open the
Door.
I don't know.
Hmm.
Door of.
Has it been taken here? Yeah.
How do we open the door?
Yeah! There's 100 chocolate eggs and
Are there?
Another clue.
Oh, it's okay. Looks like we can still.
Darshan, are there eggs in there? Devin, can Darshan see, Devin?
Darshan, see.
Can Darshan see?
Look! And look! There's one more on the other side!
There's more on the other side.
Grab some in there, Devin.
Here, let me see. Let me see where they are.
They're over here.
Where?
They're over here at this side. And over here.
Over there.
And over here.
Oh my goodness.
And over here.
I see all of them.
But the sign of the chocolate eggs got wet.
Oh, the clue.
Clue.
Oh, that's okay. Can we still read it?
We can still read it. Daddy.
Fantastic. And
Where's our basket?
let's see the eggs. What do we get, Darsha, Devin?
I'm gonna handle the eggs. Dustin, you're gonna get your handle of yours.
Devin, how many did you get there?
Oh, maybe there is some more in there, Darshan.
Did you count them? Like Mummy doesn't trample them?
4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, 7 only.
And the person's got another 7.
Oh, 7 and 7, 14. God,
What you got,
very
Darshan?
generous. Very generous, Stephen. 14.
What did you find?
And look, we've only
Chocolate
got
Oh my.
chocolate eggs. Look. And then
Brilliant,
we count those.
Darshan.
Then we
Good
count
boy.
those to the number there on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5?
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, we have to put them in a line. 1. We're definitely going to be 1, 5. 1, 2, 3,
Oh, yeah, I mean, we're just
4,
saying for.
5, 6. The 6 chocolate eggs Darshan got 6.
6 and 7.
Wow.